Hey guys, so today's video is salmon with veggies. As you can see, I'm like, whatever. So it's salmon with veggies, and I have a little bit of tartar sauce right here on the side. And then I have a salad. So let's get, let's get going and eat. So this is just like a store-bought salad, but I'm really hungry though. Daddy. I'm really starving. I have Tabasco. I'm gonna put some in my veggies. Yeah. Okay, because then my cat's gonna come. There she is. Okay, I wish I could just kind of like fix this a little bit. There we go. I cooked the salmon yesterday. Whoa. Wow. It's even better than yesterday. So this is today's makeup with this lip. Oh, this is good. This is good. And there's the carrot. Whoa, it's not focusing. No! I apologize for that. My cat was being dumb. So I was saying that I wanted to put... What is going on? Oh my God. Anyways, I'm going to put some sauce. Even though my stomach hurts. What is she doing? Okay, great. So here it is. Oop. Here it is. And let's get to eating because I am starving. I really want to show the food. Right there. This is like cauliflower. I don't know. Just put a little bit of the hot sauce. Salad. I can't wait till Saturday because I'm gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory and I'm gonna eat something delicious. And I really want to go like now. You know, but I'm sticking to, you know, eating clean for the week of Travis. And then it's just salad, but it's really good. The makeup of the day and glitter. 3D glitter. Mm-hmm. To drink. Perrier. This is like my drink. You know? Oh my god. Is my hair being crazy because it looks crazy. Hold on. Stop. My cats are just all over the place today. Okay, so I want to get my lips done. And I'm not sure about it. I'm still thinking about it. I was watching Jeffree Star's video, and I get so nervous. Oh, let me show you. Hold on. Hold on. I'm not sure, but hold on. What a focus. But it's good. It's really good. But either way, it's good. So I was saying about broccoli. Steamed broccoli. It looks bad, but trust me, it's good. That was hot. Oh, as I was saying, that I wanted to get my lips done, but I don't know, like I'm scared. You know? This video is probably going to be very, very, small because, first of all, look at this portion of this plate, this little container. I actually got these disposable containers at Walmart. So, kind of like a bad, It's kind of spicy here, but I almost choked. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Right there? We can't really see it. Okay, it's in focus right there. No, it doesn't look gross. It's good. Put more. Tabasco. I'm just gonna open it. Oh my god, I just stained my what are they called? Forgot. Forgot. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm gonna get my lips done, but I'm scared. For what? I don't know. I don't know. Broccoli. Broccoli. All gone. These containers I got at Walmart. Disposable containers. Okay. I'm almost done. Because I want to do that. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you what it is. It's these mac and cheese balls. I guess they're deep fried. But oh my god. My sister gave me a little bite. I literally cannot stop thinking about them. I'm like thinking about them. You know? I'm just like, oh my god, I can't wait till Saturday. It's like my cheat meal. Damn. I'm almost done. Oh my god. My kids are being really quiet, which is good. And it could be a bad idea. Or a bad thing, I mean. So I'm done. Lips and Saturday, I don't know. I'm still thinking about getting my lips done. I love Perrier, and I like what is that one other water called? I forgot. I literally forgot like the name of the water. Okay, I know, I'm sorry, this mukbang was really small, like really like not like a long video, but I hope, you know, still you enjoyed it. I was starving. Oh my god. Okay, but I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna keep doing mukbangs because this is what I like doing, and I don't know, like I'm really like into these. Honestly, if I was skinny, I would do mukbangs every day with like all sorts of good, like I'm not even gonna get into detail, but anyways, I'm still gonna do it. I don't give up. You know what I'm saying? So until next video, and yeah. Oh, and I'm also gonna do a sushi mukbang because I saw Eating with Chunky, she was doing her, what's it called, her sushi video. Hello, I freaking loved her, and I love it. Every time, like, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I see that mukbang, like, over and over again, just because it looks so delicious, like, for real. Okay, but anyways, I'm just gonna wrap this up. Bye, guys.